How to grow a mango tree from seed in 7 days. Do you want to grow your own juicy mango? Well, here is one of the easiest secretive methods ever. What you will need: a mango, a knife, a plate or cutting board, a Ziploc bag, a sheet of kitchen towel, a glass with water. Step 1. A mango, a knife, a Ziploc bag, a sheet of kitchen towel, a glass with water. Step 2. Cut the mango to remove the seed. Step 3. Cut the seed shell open. Step 4. Remove the seed. Step 5. Place the seed inside the kitchen towel and wet it thoroughly. Step 6. Put the kitchen towel with the seed inside a Ziploc bag. Seal the Ziploc bag. Step 7. Place the bag in a windowsill. Step 8. After 7 to 10 days, you'll see the results. Remove the seedling from the bag. Plant the seedling in a large pot or outdoors. Water it thoroughly. Enjoy your mango tree. Plant the seedling in a large pot or outdoors. Water it thoroughly. Enjoy your mango tree.